have one of the most badass women I have ever met, especially to have somebody like this on air. I cannot wait to get into it.
Calm your tits.
ये M indicator क्या होता है? दादर is central, no?
Yeah.
Harbour.
Sometimes when you all speak also, I'm just like, she spoke about her boobs on the internet. She said that tedha meda on the internet.
There's evolution for sure.
Yeah,
There's evolution for
100%.
sure.
Yeah. Women
Do
are
you like it?
talking. I love it. I love the fact that you're being able to, be so be-sharam.
Hey, clock it! Today, my loves, we have a sensational discourse on a topic that this culture often tiptoes around: the animalistic nature of men and women. And for it, we have one of the most badass women I have ever met, especially to have somebody like this on air. I cannot wait to get into it. Hi, guys, I am Zia.
Hi, I'm Dhritika. I'm Srishti.
I'm Gia.
And we are
Besharam.
Gia, why don't you tell our audience what you do, where they can find you, if in case they don't know you, even though I know they do.
Yeah.
My name is Gia. I'm a stand-up comedian. Hi.
She's so sweet.
You can find me on Instagram at Gia Dhadak Dhadak and YouTube also is
In my
Gia
heart,
Dhadak Dhadak.
also, you find like that only.
Yeah.
Dhadak
I
Dhadak.
am in every. Gia means heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I don't have one.
Because you are one.
Stop bitch.
Jay, we have similar names also, but you spell it with EE.
Yes.
That's my
J-E-E-Y-A. And you spell it?
Z-I-Y-A.
Z-I-Y.
Yeah, but my name means brightness.
My name means heart.
But Gia is like life, no?
No. Dil.
Ah.
Gia, dil.
Sweet.
Dhadak Dhadak.
So is it actually Dhadak Dhadak?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Dhadak Dhadak.
Dadak.
I don't think it's dhadak, it's dhadak.
Dadak.
Yeah.
So Gia and girls, do you think men really do like women?
Only their mothers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're speaking my fucking language, Gia. Because
have
why?
goosebumps.
You do.
That felt really close.
Because why have I been on 2 dates with this guy and he's talking to me on the phone while his mother's there and he's showing his mother my podcast and being like, look at her.
This is Zia.
This is Zia. Because why?
Why? Yeah, why?
And you know what? He was afraid of this.
Validation from his mother?
I have no clue. But he was afraid of this. He was like, will you talk about me on your podcast? I'm like, okay, then act right. Okay.
Yes,
Then
we will
act
talk
right.
about you on the
Yes.
podcast.
I don't
You know, I have curly hair, so in humidity they kind of curl up, and I was seeing this one guy, and then my hair had gotten a little curly, and then he was like, please straighten them. You are kind of looking like my mom right now, and I cannot. I would leave with my curly hair.
Shit.
Yeah, no, but the thing is that even I don't like my curly hair, so I was going to straighten them eventually. But after he said it, I didn't feel like it.
Good, yeah.
तू कौन है बोलने वाला मुझे? तू कौन है?
Oh my god. Because, yeah, I've had that a few times when they're really, like, when they really want you, they will draw parallels between you and your mother, and it's the wackiest thing ever. Does that happen to you?
Yeah, all the time. Every boys like to, see their mothers. Yeah,
In their
yeah,
partners.
Yeah.
It's so unsettling.
It is very unsettling.
Yeah.
Shut up. Like,
But see, what also happens is sometimes we tend to become their mothers also. Right? We don't behave like girlfriends. We try to look after them.
Yeah.
Which is, yeah.
So the girlfriend angle slowly turns into the wifey material.
You don't become wife, you become his mum. At 22, you're becoming a wife. No, you're just looking after the boy. The way his mother looks after him. You're not his girlfriend now.
Right.
You're his mama. And also, girls, we don't actually want to be anybody's mama. Right? We want them to be our daddy.
Yes.
daddy, need a daddy.
Need a daddy.
Need a fucking daddy ASAP. No, but what is your stance on, like, women providing? Like, women being there for men too soon, too quick.
That's a bad idea.
Horrible.
Horrible
right?
idea. Yeah, providing in what way?
Like, waking
In
him
whatever
up.
way, I feel.
If he has a test, he has an all-nighter being like, hey babe, you up?
ये सब उसके पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस से आ रहा है.
You're his alarm clock, basically. Yeah.
He didn't ask me for it.
Exactly. Then why are you doing it?
Then get off his back, Zia. He's not asking for it.
He isn't asking for it.
Yeah, you only do
But he
extra.
loved it.
Of course he did. Yeah, because you're his mama.
And I hate that.
How his mama wakes him up in the morning. Biba, utu babu, breakfast is ready. You don't do that. You sleep, you do your beauty sleep. He has to wake up and send you coffee and send you orange juice in the morning.
Is that toxic though?
What is?
That's a toxic way to think. कि only receive and not give.
The thing is,
Yeah.
we give too much. Women give anyway. Boys take, right?
Okay.
And the girls that don't give, and the ones who are just taking are the happiest in their relationships. Have relationships. They have relationships. Full stop.
They do.
We don't have. We have nobody. We don't have because we are going and doing a thing.
Dude, I want to talk about this one couple from my college. This girl, she had made this guy's life miserable. Like absolutely fucking miserable. And still he just wants to like roam around her all time. And she's like, no, I want to like go and do my stuff. She'd literally be talking to like 10 different guys on like in DMs and all of that, but he still wants her because she is so dependent on him and he loves that for every little thing. Bro, I am clocking everything right now that she used to do, like literally everything. मेरा phone charge पे लगाओ, निकलने से पहले मेरा phone मेरे bag में डालो. You know what lipstick I carry, keep that lipstick in my bag. And then he'll make her wear socks.
Did she pay him as a butler? Was he her friend or her butler?
Her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend?
Yeah.
He was her boyfriend?
I don't know this girl, but yeah, I guess.
So now this, great. No, it's good only that this
Great.
boy has become her butler. But he will always then be her butler, right? He'll never be.
He'll never grow out of it.
Yeah.
In
he'll
this
never-
world,
she
you
won't.
can be only two things in this world I have established now: a butler or a mommy.
Or, butler or mommy.
Butler
Sure,
or
why not?
mommy.
Yeah.
Because I had
Mommy is also butler only.
I guess so.
The
Yeah.
same
That's
in
a
a different
Emotional
gender.
way of
Yeah.
saying
Fair
butler.
enough. Yeah.
Yes.
yeah, she's my mother. She's
But I had this.
She looks after me the way my mom
She wakes
does.
me up before my tests. She
Yeah.
reminds me to study
And eat dahi chini.
and eat the.
Did you give him dahi chini? Did you make it and give it to him?
Never been to his house.
The silence has spoken. I'm gonna leave it there.
And you still like.
I was thinking now that, we've been having this conversation for a while. I'm thinking, so when I was seeing this guy, so we used to almost like live together. We had different rooms and all of that. But yeah, we were in the same building, same university, no parents, no restrictions, doesn't fucking matter. We used to be in each other's rooms all the time. And then one day I'm just like, okay, he's not really taking efforts, or he's just not like, he's just there in the bed watching his fucking reels or playing his games. He doesn't care if I'm there. So then 2 days I went MIA. I was in my room. I was doing my things. And that's when I started getting those calls. Where are you? Come down. Let's go out. Let's go have dinner. Come, I've seen this play. It really makes a lot of sense now.
You have
Now
to
that
back off. Yeah.
Mhm.
And you have to allow them to lead, right?
Yeah. And they're such like assholes too. Like I had one of my brothers, okay, and I don't care if he watches this, but he told me once this life hack. He's like, yeah, I'll give you a life hack. Okay, I go on dates for free. I'm like, how the fuck do you do that? You're the man. You are asking this girl out. How is this free, And this is not even like he's jobless, okay? He has a well-paying job. He's a civil engineer, right? He has a good job.
Not
He's like-
really, but okay.
No, but
Well-paying job to afford a good date.
Yeah,
Okay,
well
okay.
paying, and he was at a good position,
Okay.
right? And he's telling me, all you do is you ask them to a place like Starbucks or Third Wave or Blue Tokai. Okay, these three are your options. You go there, and then like 5 minutes before she's about to reach, you say that my mom has an emergency or somebody has an emergency at home. Stall for 45 minutes. She can't sit there 45 minutes without buying something. So she buys something, she has it over there, and because of how these places are set up, you have to pay first, right? And she's had like whatever she's had to have, and you come in and you're like, bro, had a fuck all day, and you can just rant about your day the whole time, and you can be like, no, I'm really full, like I really can't have anything right now. So she has paid
For her
the
own
day,
date, for her own coffee.
for her own coffee.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
yeah.
God.
These are assholes in the world right now.
That is so bad. I would
That's
walk out.
scary.
If
That's so
someone makes
scary.
me stall for 45 minutes,
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah, yeah. I
No,
would
not
also
happening.
leave. Yeah,
You should
And
leave, right?
You don't pay for dates anymore.
I
You
think
shouldn't.
30 minutes is a good time to wait. I think that's enough. 30 minutes आगे पीछे बॉम्बे में रहते हैं ट्रैफिक ये वो 30 minutes I can give, not more
I
than
will
that.
give that also if he's coming to pick me. Or else nahi.
This is what we need to be.
Hmm.
We need to be girls that demand to be picked up and be like, no, I'm sorry. And
ये
then,
M indicator क्या होता है?
yeah. That's exactly what we have to be.
Dadar is central, no?
Yes.
Got it.
We have to channel our inner feminine. We have inner feminine.
I've been
do.
fucking
We
up
do.
and how.
And you have to only for that one boy. Every other boy, all these boys that are around you, you just be like, nahi hoga. Chubit. Whatever. I know what I'm talking about. But in front of that boy, I don't know anything. Oh my God, please help.
Yes.
मुझे बचा लो.
Yes.
Yeah. How will I come to that restaurant? Starbucks? Oh
Starbucks?
no.
Where is it? How do you operate Google Maps? I don't know.
Please pick me up.
I don't have a phone.
Yes. And listen to me. It will take time to be that.
To master this.
No, you have to. It's not your reality,
Right.
right? So you have to like act it.
Imbibe.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to channel it. You have to keep acting it, and then when you're there, also these boys have to bring it out of us, right? They have to be, leaders.
Masculine.
I mean, we're not saying they have to be dicks, right? We're just saying that they have to be able to, plan a date
Yeah.
and be like,
Not
I
give
got
options.
this. Yes, right? I'm going to come pick you up at 7. We'll go at 8. I booked a restaurant, right? And then we'll eat dinner and then we'll go dancing. Do you want to get your girlfriends along? And then you're like, oh my God, stop.
Can I go on a date with you?
Yeah, let's do that.
That sounds like my ideal date.
But the thing is, we don't allow them to do that. We are like, oh my God, we'll go here, we'll go there. I know this place, I know that place. No, we don't need to know anything.
कुछ नहीं पता.
Yes.
बॉम्बे में नहीं आए.
नहीं.
बॉम्बे में नए आए हम.
I have always been taken by my family. So when you say that my dad has always been sort of helping me with life, then the guy is like, I need to be better than her dad.
Oh my God, yes.
Yes.
And then he'll try and be better than
I
you.
must tell him all the things that my dad does, because I remember, I think I had an argument with some boy over something, and then I went home and then my dad spoke to me or something. I think I said this on the group chat. On our group chat, I was
Yes.
like, my dad is the most man than any man I've ever met.
Yeah.
And so when you tell your boy that this story about how your dad was
Man.
he's going to be like, I need to be that.
No.
For
so
her.
true. So true. Because I see, like, the 4 of us are more or less like siblings now. All of our
Yeah.
dads are shared. Right?
Yeah.
All of us. And I've seen this in all of their dads. They're all men. They're not boys.
They're not boys.
They are not.
And so we are also girls in front of them.
We're not
in
women.
front of our dads.
Dads, we
We're not
are.
badass bitches. We're not trying
So
to be.
true.
Yeah.
We're not trying to be mummies to our papas.
Ah, so To
Bottom
summarize
line.
it in one line, do not be women, be girls. in our life.
Yes.
Girls,
Girly girl. Channel your girly
The
girl.
more playful you are.
Only for one guy.
Only for one guy,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh my god.
And also, you have to see him bringing it out of you.
Yeah.
Obviously, you don't have to pretend. There'll be one boy who you'll be girly around,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Which
Naturally.
allows you, naturally,
Yeah.
right? And that's the boy you want to be with.
Fair.
Not the boy who is, who. And even if this boy where you're being girly says ki, some dumb shit that completely doesn't work with you, you have to let it go. Because everything else is working.
Everything else is okay.
Everything else is working.
I think the art of letting go in relationships is so much important, so much fucking important. Like I've realized this over a couple of relationships. The recent one that I had, I knew there were like small things that this person would do would tick me off. Like they would just like, it would make me literally pick him up and throw him across the hall or
Yeah.
something like that. Like something like he would just lay and rot in the bed. And he would be like, when you're coming, just switch off the lights and this and that and all of that. I used to fucking hate doing that. But never once I've yelled my voice or I've been like, I am not doing that shit. You get up, you do this. I would just say, sit calmly and it'd be like, listen, I know in like few minutes you're going to go to the washroom. And once you come back, I really think you should do it because my back is hurting, my legs are hurting. I'm not doing that. I'm not getting up once I'm in the bed. And then he'd be like, Acha chal theek hai. What happened to your back? I cracked it. And then the smaller other things that I would get really annoyed on would be like, sometimes he'd be indecisive and all of that. Then I used to not give two fucks. I used to just be like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes, when he's not when he's indecisive,
Be
you have to be
indecisive.
okay. Yes. You can't take the decisions.
I hate that feminism has taken us so far where we can be alone.
But why are we being alone? Okay.
Alone by
I
choice.
genuinely, I've been single for 22 years. I'm having the time of my life.
Yeah.
Aw.
Single by choice, alone by choice.
Listen.
Like it doesn't feel like
Yeah.
कि मेरे पास partner नहीं है तो
First 17 years doesn't matter whether you're with someone or not, right?
Okay.
Now 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5 years you've had of being single.
Correct.
Have you ever had a boyfriend?
No.
Exactly. So you don't even know what it is like to have someone who both of you all love each other. It has to be equal, right? It can't be you liking him more than he likes you.
Definitely not.
no, that's
Yeah.
the worst dynamic.
Correct.
Yeah.
He has to like you more
Definitely.
because you eventually will love him. Girls are not the kind who will be
Yeah.
with somebody if they don't like them.
True. Even there is this Sabrina Carpenter song, weirdly enough, where she goes like, "You don't have to lie to girls. If they like you, they'll lie to themselves.
Yeah.
If they like you, they will." And the amount of like chances that a girl will give, the amount of bahanas she will make for you. And I know, like, if there's a boy that I'm talking to, I know my schedule is objectively more taxing than his.
Yeah.
He's doing college. I'm doing college, internship, job, podcast, meeting, da-da. I'm doing 50 different things, right?
And leaving your house every day brave and strong.
Oh my god.
Just leaving your house every day is a fucking task already.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? And
Yeah.
anything can happen. But for him, nothing can happen when he leaves this house.
Not true.
Nothing.
Yes,
Nothing will ever happen.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बाइक से गिर के पड़ेगा
हाँ
क्या
भाई.
ही होगा
The worst thing that I used to do, I feel like, in these ages of 17 to 25, 25? I'm not
Okay.
25.
Sorry. I wanted to say this, right?
Of course,
I'm
of course.
44 and
Right.
I'm single. I live alone. I have my own place. And
Dream.
no, it's not.
Having your own space.
It sucks, girls. It's the worst thing to do because it's a man's world. You need them to talk to each other.
Yes.
You need a man to tell the watchman to take something has happened in the building. You need only they listen to each other. They love each other. So then that is why you need men to open the jam jar. You know, when it's
I'll-
not opening.
I'll
that's
give
when
you a
need
life hack. Just warm it up. Just warm it up on the gas.
No, this is what we have to avoid. We have to avoid these life hacks.
I'm so glad we didn't do this topic then.
We need to find one man to do carry our shopping bags.
Yeah.
Why should we carry them? Why should we go to the grocery store? And I am single. I am independent. I am what y'all want to be. It's not good. Right? You have a sibling,
I do.
brother,
Sister.
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 So, and you have
Sister.
You have sibling,
Younger
right?
brother.
They'll all have families.
Yeah.
Then what you'll do alone? You can be the badass aunt, but that's it. You're alone every night. You're alone. Then when you're alone, no, your parents are not going to be like, "Tu ghar pahunchi, tu so rahi hai, tu ut gayi, mar to nahi gayi." They're not. You're alone.
You're truly alone. You're
yeah,
truly alone.
yeah. In that one house, then you keep telling your brother, "Please come over, please hang with me," and they come. That's great and all, but it's. And look, I have been single for very long and been on my own very long. It's going to be very difficult for me to let somebody in
True.
and let them be in my space.
Yes. True.
Right? But I have to allow it. You have to try and do it.
Yeah, so my vice, I've like clocked it. I've clocked my vice. My vice is, second I like somebody, I'm gonna go to my girls and I'm gonna be like, ये क्या चूतिया है?
Mm.
ये भड़वा है. इसको देखो, इसका रैप करियर नहीं चल रहा. इसको देखो, इसकी रियलिटी में हुआ है, इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. इसको देखो, ये बौना है.
इसको देखो ये टकला हो रहा है.
अटप, तू क्यों बोल रही है यार?
तूने यहाँ आने वाला लाया है जिया. मेरे मुंह खोलना ही था.
यार.
But I don't know who you all are talking about, so it's okay. The internet obviously knows.
Whatever.
Some young child, no? This one will also be one child only.
Man child.
Whatever. Lekin, that's been my thing. So what I did this July was that, you know what, let me try to talk to somebody and I'm gonna not talk to my friends. I'm just gonna see how I act intrinsically. Fucked it up. Fumbled. Bad. My husband, I have fumbled.
Fumbled a baddie, bro.
I have fumbled my husband. I fumbled my husband. And it's true.
What does this mean? You fumbled your husband?
Yeah, like
What kind of language?
He was a good potential.
He was great. He was
And she fucked it up.
How? What you did?
I basically spoke to him for 2 weeks. And then the second I had to convince myself to like this guy, okay? And he was so into me. Right? Never met him, but over text or whatever, he was really into me. And then the second I was like, oh, sweet, he's communicating. And then when he stopped, I was like, hey, I'd really love for you to communicate. Ghost.
Yeah.
But perfect on fucking paper.
Everybody's perfect on paper. Okay. Another thing y'all should know. Now, when you're dating someone, no, you talk to them for one day and meet them the next day. If someone really wants to meet you, they'll meet you tomorrow. Why are you wasting time in getting to know this person? 2 weeks of ghosting ho gaya na, they fucked off. You meet them tomorrow. You match today, you say, what are you doing tomorrow? Let's make a plan. You make a plan. You say you make a plan. So then they make the plan. You have to also choose your words wisely. And you meet tomorrow. Don't waste time. If someone has to meet you, they will meet you. If they don't have to meet you, they're fucked off. Bye-bye.
Yeah, because I think guys have this thing that उनको time pass करना में बहुत पसंद है. So
but there is always that connotation ke, acha, if she wants to meet so quickly, then she wants to, fuck or whatever.
That's okay.
that's okay. Then you can always meet and make sure
Even 2
that
weeks later, they'll think like that. No, they're boys.
Nah.
They'll always think like that. That's never going to change. What they think doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It is what you want. Also, if you've ever been with boys, right? Boys will tell you exactly how they feel.
Yeah.
I don't want anything serious. I only want casual. And we're like, okay, whatever. Have we ever said, I don't do good with you having a female best friend, or I don't like it when you're bringing this random third person into this relationship? We never say anything. We're just like, whatever, okay, you say. You might have a different opinion about this because you are the queen we want to be. You have to teach us.
So true.
You have to teach us what is the wrong we are doing.
No, but I used to do this thing where if I would have an issue with someone, now I did this with the relationship in which I got cheated. So that was very traumatic for me. And I was literally on the edge. And at time, and those things I was saying were at the time where the relationship is almost like falling apart. But then after that, though, I made very clear to whichever guys I was seeing, like, we are exclusive. If you want to see other people, then I am not okay with this. If you want to be with me, you have to be with me. Even if it's a situationship, it has to be exclusive for me. I don't want those stupid, shitty diseases and all of that through people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no,
yeah.
of course
Oh yeah, for
not.
sure.
Of course.
So we know that we have to tell what we want.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah,
Established.
like I know for a fact that if a man is gonna ask me what's wrong with you, once I might do this like nahi kuch nahi. But the second time I will tell the person like, you know, I am really not a fan of your behavior tonight. You shouldn't be doing this.
Yes, and we don't do this.
We
don't.
don't.
We just be like, it's
We let it
okay.
slide.
Yes, it's all right. He's not always like that.
Not every day is the same.
Mhm.
Ah, shit.
But it becomes the same. We let that pattern set in. And we fuck it up for ourselves.
But so we have to find a delicate balance of what we write off, because
Yeah.
sometimes boys are boys, but then what we tolerate. So boundaries come into play. Like some things should be non-negotiable for you. You go into dating
Yeah.
knowing what the fuck you want.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
As a woman.
yes. And if it's not acceptable, it's not acceptable. We don't let it slide. That's what we need to know. That if we like, you know, if for example, I don't like late comers. And if you're disrespecting me by coming late, it's not working, right? So then immediately I'll be like, you need to come on time. This is the last time.
This is
Otherwise,
the last-
goodbye.
Yeah. That's what I told that guy that ghosted me. I was like, this is the last time that I'm making the first move. Shut the fuck up.
Good.
Intimidated him,
Mm.
which is whatever. I guess then he was not perfect anyway.
So you didn't fuck up, I feel.
Yeah, you didn't fuck up. You didn't
Now
lose
that-
a husband.
Yeah.
Now
He's
that this-
gone
yeah.
from the...
Actually, with him, I didn't do the husband, but then I didn't even speak to my girls, right? I should have maybe given it maybe a week or two, but then I blocked him.
I
Because
think
I was like,
if you would have spoken to us, we would have given you exactly what you want to hear.
Wanted to hear.
Yeah.
And what Gia said right now makes a lot more sense than what we would have told you at that time.
Yeah.
So I feel I'm glad you
That
did
did-
not
Yeah.
tell us.
Yeah.
And
But
you fumbled.
I
with him.
would have picked him apart anyway. I would have picked him apart in the 2 weeks that he liked me and I didn't like him. Because he didn't look good. He didn't look good.
I'll be
Also,
sure
in
you.
2 weeks, how you can like someone without meeting them?
Yeah.
So
On
there's
paper, I'm
something called
talking.
love bombing.
Of
That
a
is
vibe.
That was
very
happening.
regularly happening
Yeah,
in your generation,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
So you have to think about it in that way, wherein you can't fall in love with someone in 3 days or a week or 2 weeks, right? They can't fall in love with you in 2 weeks.
They can't. No,
They
no,
can't.
no, no.
You're a fascinating person, and they need to get to know you to fall in love. We have to allow them to get to know us.
Yeah.
That's why we're like 3 months.
No
You get
touchy.
to know me. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
No touchy.
I have a friend who basically was dating this boy who was being very not touching her, and she was looking hot on every date, but he really wanted to get to know her, and that's never happened to her before.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
And she's used to love bombing, and she's like, what's going on? Is it me? Is it me? And I'm like, no, it's fine. You are a badass woman. And now he's completely head over heels in love with her. Because he took the time to get to know her, right? And with everything that she comes with, and it's amazing. Now they're almost living. I mean, she has a cupboard in his house.
Oh my god! That's adorable.
Yeah, and he's good with communication. He's someone who basically, if she says that I don't like this, he listens and he learns, bro.
That's a man.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a fucking man right
Yes,
there.
That's a
yes,
man.
Yeah.
Wow.
With what you said about, you know, women like get a little कि क्यों कुछ move क्यों नहीं कर रहा? I feel that is what's not forcing women, but that's what moves us more into like, भाई कुछ तो हाथ तो पकड़ ले at least, so I know you like me. And it's difficult to read कि मतलब ये इसको interest ही नहीं है कि ये मुझे जानने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Because it's very similar the way they act in these two situations.
So we have to stop acting like we're friends with these boys, right? Wherein we tell them that we're your girlies.
Okay.
We want to be your girl. And so that's how he will think that he'll want to be your boy.
Okay.
where we allow them to be our friends.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We're like, buddy, nobody,
Nobody.
nobody,
No friend.
no,
Ah,
baby.
okay.
Oh my God, stop.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. I love that.
The whole
I
time.
was literally talking with my friends the other day, not the other, like yesterday night. I had like one of my guy friends' birthday, right? So all of his bros had come from college, who I had known. Like I have great relationships with these guys, and you know they're fun guys, they're sweet guys, and I'm talking to them about things and dating, and I'm like, okay, is it a hint when a girl does blank? So is it a hint when a girl has snatched something from you, so you kind of wrestle her?
Like you're fighting.
That's a hint, right?
It is a hint.
Then why? Then why you're not making that move?
Yeah, I'm not boy. I don't know why. See, I also feel like look, boys are used to rejection.
Yeah.
Right? So even if they're not making, if they do get rejected, okay, man, but try at least, na.
Yeah.
Be a man.
Be a man.
Be a man.
It all boils down to be a man.
Yes.
Yeah, I just want to tell you this one story where it was like the beginning of our university, and this one guy is like who my boyfriend. He was really like trying on me. So there was this
We
party.
sensed it from fucking videos, random videos she sent me like, ye wala.
Mm.
Ye wala. Oh, right. I remember.
So we are at this party. This is like our first freshers party, and all of us, we've gone to this street or like this place in Singapore which has like multiple pubs and clubs, and then you just we are outside in Vibeke, and I was kind of sick that day, so I was feeling cold. So I was just there sitting in the corner. He comes up to me. He's like, "What happened?" I'm like, "I'm feeling cold." And he had a pullover, a sweatshirt. He gave that to me, and I wore it. Like, I was giving him signs too. Like, okay, I wouldn't wear someone else's clothes just like that. And I wore it. And then after that, I kind of removed it. And then he's like, "Why did you remove it?" And I'm like, "It's not going with my outfit." And I think that is when he was like, okay, like, she is it. And then once we were in the cab, I was like, my head is hurting a lot. And then he's trying to like massage my head and all of that. Oh, he even I was telling him that
This whole time.
Learn,
no.
girls.
Also, this whole time, she has denied on the group chat. She's like, nahi yaar.
भाई
I
ये
don't like
दोस्त है यार अभी
nothing.
मिले
दोस्त
हम बस
अभी मिले
कुछ
हैं.
नहीं होने वाला दोस्तों शांत रहो
I remember this exact day you're talking about.
Yeah.
I remember everything.
Yeah,
Continue.
I was wearing heels and it was really hurting because we had been walking that entire street back and forth. And then he told me before also, don't wear heels, we'll have to walk. And then I was like, now my legs are hurting. Then he was like, should I pick you up? I was like, no, are you mad or what? Don't pick me up and all of that. He's like, acha, theek hai, remove your heels. I'll carry them. Can you walk barefoot or do you want my shoes? And then I was like, no, I'll walk barefoot. And then he was carrying my heels the entire ride back home.
Yeah.
And in the cab, I was like, my head is hurting. And then he's trying to massage me. And then I was like, no, I don't like it when, someone who's not my boyfriend or my close people touch my hair. I don't like people touching my hair who are like not close to me. And he took it so fucking personally. I think after that, he was like, इसको तो पटाके रहूंगा.
Ji Guru Ma. I thought I was going to be the Guru Ma today, but this chick, you nailed it. That's exactly what we need to learn. Boys carrying her heels, girl. When has that ever happened? No, because we'll be like, नहीं हम खुद carry कर लेंगे, सर पे रखेंगे.
Did you know
we
I
don't
even-
need boys.
That reminded me of this one time I was at Ghetto only, weirdly enough. And you've been to the Ghetto.
Yes.
There's a smoking room. There are 2 pool tables outside, right? In the first pool table, I'm in the smoking room with my friend. She comes out. I'm standing outside. My friend comes out of the smoking room. And she has to be somewhere else. She's this really hot lady. She likes to go around. And I love that for her. Some fucking 15-year-old is standing near that pool table because that's how it is. It's a Saturday night at the Ghetto. She has literally taken her foot, okay? And she does not know this guy. She's taken her foot, she's put it up, and she's looked at that guy. He tied her shoelaces for her. And then I was like, Kashif, do you know this guy? Like, no.
Mm-hmm.
And he did it. He did it without like asking. There were no words exchanged.
Kashish, if you're watching this,
Shit. Like I'm in awe of that. Like I literally stood there and after she was done, I slow clapped for her.
Yeah,
'Cause
girls
deserve-
learn. We have to learn.
Yeah.
We have to learn. Because, okay, now if you were in a car with the boy and your heels and all were hurting, what would you do?
I'll bear it.
Exactly. Or remove it and carry it yourself, no? You're not telling boys that, carry my shoes. We have to tell them to carry our shoes. Save us. That's what we have to do always with only one boy. That's it.
Only one.
Only
boy.
one.
We are gonna get so much hate on this video.
I fucking love it.
We're going to get hate
I'm
from
enjoying
whom?
it. From men. Who else?
Oh,
Men also think we're extremely
it's not
unfunny.
men, they're boys.
Boys. Sorry, boys.
Babies. Also, only men or boys on the internet leave hate comments. Girls are not leaving any.
Never. I've never
No
seen a girl.
girls.
Yeah.
10 out of 1.
I
Might
mean,
be a
no,
woman,
it's
but a
not a girl. No, she's still got some
Male
boy.
influence.
Pick
Yeah,
me
yeah,
energy.
yeah.
Yeah, pick me.
Totally.
So men are the initial pick me's because all they're trying to do is validate each other, and a girl who's a pick me is trying to get their validation. So a pick me is more a man than a woman.
Yes.
So men are just indirectly hating on men.
Yeah.
Men are always. I don't fucking know what men are, bro. At this point, I have
Men
no idea.
just love to suck each other's balls. That is
so
what I
true,
think.
and they only want the prettiest girl so they can show it off to the other men.
Exactly.
She-
Gia just now, I think a while ago, spoke about this really is a man's world, and if you get your own apartment as a girl, it is actually bad. Dude, I cannot agree 1,000% to you. I was living in Dubai with my flatmate, both of us girls, and only if there was a man in our house and the security would come for some stuff is when he would talk respectfully.
Oh.
Other than
He
that,
would talk respectfully only when there's a man around.
Yeah.
Yes.
But do you remember
Because
the
he
instance-
respects the man.
Not you.
He doesn't. And
He doesn't
men-
care about you, I feel.
The thing is, men don't want to look bad in front of each other.
yeah.
When there's a fight happening, most men will be like, it's none of my business. We make it our business, right? Because we think it's the wrong thing to do. We're like, no, this has to be stopped. What's going on? But men will be like, no, it's not my
It doesn't
business.
bother me.
It's not my business.
Did you?
But it's your best friend. You need to tell your best friend because your best friend's only going to listen to you. Your best friend is a creep, right? Your male best friend's friend is a creep. They all know that their friend is a creep.
Yeah.
But they won't do anything about it.
They won't tell him. They won't be like, भाई तू क्या कर रहा है यार? लड़कियों को uncomfortable करता है, इतनी गंदी बातें करता है. They laugh with him. They won't agree with him, but they laugh with him.
Yeah.
But they'll never tell him.
Yes.
If our friend is behaving like a super cunt, we'll tell her,
Yeah.
bro, this is not how you behave.
Yep.
No, because there is
Even men, we will call out the creepy guy.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we'll look bad.
And we look bad.
They'll be like, she's a bitch. Right? She's so
yeah.
difficult. How's she always talking to us like this? But
इसको
your
लगता है ये हूर परी है.
But your friend is a
No, there is this wacky guy from our college, and you know him.
Yeah.
He basically had too many KTs. He dropped out in second year. He was like, "मैं degree खरीद लूँगा." He's not done anything in his life, whatever. He had there 2023. You couldn't escape his birthday, right? He had this massive party, and everybody was posting about it on Instagram because it was like a small group of people, right? This year, everyone's dropped him. But nobody told him why they've dropped him. In fact, I have blocked him on Instagram. I had a fight with him. I had a massive disagreement with him because he was being a real bigot, right? In my DMs. And I'm like, you are not making me mad on my phone. And I told him that. But I know for a fact that all of the men that have dropped him, he does not know why.
yeah.
yeah.
He's been dropped, but he just doesn't know why. Because
Yeah.
no man will tell him.
Yeah, because men don't like looking bad in front of each other. They like to just look like macho men in front of each other. And that's why the women are looking bad all the time, right? Even any sort of injustice that happens, men will avoid the injustice, but
Yep.
women can't.
They can't. Did you know there was this study that was done that women are not able in corporate settings to break the glass ceiling as much as we would like to, as much as we are trying to, as many leaps feminism has taken, we are not able to do that because women are too fucking ethical.
Yes,
We are too
yes,
ethical.
Yes,
We think
and
about
so
things.
The thing is, that's why I said that only for one man you need to be dumb. For all the other men, you be your badass bitch. You show them their place. They need
True.
to know
Yeah.
that.
Fully.
And all ethics. And again, another thing is, men, like I said earlier, right? Men will say how they feel.
Yep.
Right? They are not going to. They'll say कि अरे मैंने उसको promotion दे दिया क्योंकि तेरी तो शादी होने वाली है.
Yeah, yeah.
तो उसकी शादी नहीं हो रही क्या? उसके बच्चे नहीं हो रहे क्या? But that they'll never tell, and they'll tell. So over here is when you have to stand up and be like, उसकी शादी नहीं हो रही क्या?
Correct.
Right? But that women are like, हाँ ठीक है. Back then, I think now you
अब
girls,
नहीं, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
y'all are badasses. Sometimes when y'all speak also, I'm just like, she spoke about her boobs on the internet. She said that tedha meda on the internet. How is that? What are you? You're 21 and you're. I'm just like, my God, mere se to.
There's
mummy.
evolution for sure.
Yeah,
There's evolution for
100%.
sure.
Yeah. Women are
do you like it?
talking. I love it. I love the fact that you're being able to, just.
Could not have happened sooner.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
God.
besharam.
Hey, clock it. You're also Besharam now. You're part of the family.
Yeah, I'm very in besharam.
Yeah, fully. इसी बहाने subscribe कर दो, like करो. Love you guys.
Love you.
So I remember we had this one HR lecture in our college, and this professor he was teaching us ethics. The subject was ethics in HR, and he was talking about recruitment and all of that. And then just before the lecture ends, he said, "I'm going to say something which are not my words, but I've heard it a lot in the industry." He's like, "I've worked for 44 years and I have spoken to many douchebags, many assholes. And this is one statement that I've seen very common among all of them. And these are not my words. Again, I'm saying sorry, but I have heard some, HRs or some recruiting people say that, why should we hire women when eventually they're going to get married and go off? Like, I am going to hire a woman. In few years, she'll get married. In few years now, after that, she's going to have a baby. She'll get pregnant. Then she'll go for a maternity leave. Then again, her child is going to go to school. Then she's going to give my, workplace lesser time, this and that. And nobody in my class has raised their hands and said something back to the sir, even though they were not his words. I just felt like this shouldn't have been heard.
This shouldn't have been spoken in a
exactly,
university.
yeah. This
Not at all.
shouldn't have been spoken exactly in front of the students at all. So in the mid lecture, I have raised my hands and I was like, I disagree. I think that in the first place, you should not say something like this, even if you heard it from somewhere else.
What is
And-
the purpose of you fucking saying that?
Yeah. And in the second place, if that is the thing, then why are you even wanting to have females in your workplace? Then don't send female to get clients. Why do you want to do
Yeah.
all of that? Why do you want to play games? Send guys only, to lick asses of those other clients. You want an eye candy in your workplace, and you want to keep them as eye candies. And then when they actually work, that is when you are like, oh no, you know what? Anyone else could have done that. This is not technically work. You got it just because you look beautiful, you're presentable. And I was so mad that all came out. And at the end, the professor said sorry to me.
Well
No,
done.
exactly. Because the fact that he even quoted that, I feel like to some extent he believes it.
Yeah.
Because if you don't agree to something, you're going to
Yeah.
make it very clear. You're not going to say कि मेरे शब्द नहीं है.
Also,
That's not the thing you say when you don't agree to
Yeah,
something.
or-
You say I don't stand by this, but I've heard this. from people.
Yeah.
That's what you say. You don't say
Exactly.
you don't say ये मेरे शब्द नहीं है.
Exactly.
Unless you want to say it and then you have something to fucking add on to it. Hey, I
Yes.
heard this and then this is my stance on it. Where is
Yeah.
your stance? You said
Exactly.
that you, or not your words, but why did you say them?
Exactly.
And I was so upset that most of the guys were like, no, but he actually makes sense.
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah, I was
Shut
so
up.
upset. I was so upset. And then I go, and the guys that I do hang out with who were my friends in uni, I go and I ask them, what do you think about this? And then they were like, no, Shrishti, this is not done. Not acceptable. And we are very glad that you spoke about it and all of that.
Why the fuck didn't you speak about it?
She did.
The
No,
boys.
no, no, the boys.
Yes.
They were not in the specialization,
Ah,
not
okay.
in the lecture. You know, I was watching. Do you watch Big Boss?
Yes.
Succession नहीं देखते हम यहाँ पे.
Did you hear the other day what Malti said to Nehal?
What did she say? कितने
She
छोटे
said-
कपड़े पहने हैं?
नहीं।
कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं.
She said पहले कपड़े
पहन
पहन
के
कर
आ
आओ
रहा,
फिर
yeah.
बात करो.
Yeah, that's damn bad.
I
That's
lost.
Hello,
so
Malti
bad.
is a huge pick me.
Huge.
Huge.
Oh my god.
How
we
she's sitting
clocked
and
this
telling
yesterday.
Aman, how she's sitting and telling Amal that I only get along with boys.
Yes.
Yeah.
I get along with my dad's friends. To bet.
हाँ, yeah. Bro, she's literally like मैं तो लड़की थी पर पापा ने तो मुझे लड़कों जैसा ही
Is
बड़ा
it
किया
that
है.
girl जो झूठ बोलती है बहुत?
I hate
No, that's
that.
Tanya
Tanya.
Mittal.
That's Tanya Mittal. Okay,
I
so
hate that.
I just know Tanya Mittal.
Tanya
I
Mittal
hate-
is damn fun.
I
dude.
hate when women or like girls, I'm not gonna call them women, go like, I was the son that my parents didn't have. They raised me like a son. No.
So I'll tell you what happens. Okay, now because I'm so old, I know what's up, right? With this scenario.
Yes.
Is because we've always been told guys are amazing. We've always been told, and we've seen guys do everything without any fear. So we want to actually do that.
Yes.
We want to be boys.
We want
Right?
to be
Yes.
brave, I feel.
I think we want to be
No,
fearless.
we are brave. We are fearless. But even then, we don't get that respect for being brave and fearless, right?
Yeah.
We're called bold.
Characterless.
yes.
Yeah, we're loud.
Loud. I fucking hate that. I
We're-
fucking
loud and
hate
bold.
that.
Yeah, we're not brave. We're not badasses.
We're just us.
Yes, yeah. We're nowhere extra.
We're
But
intimidating.
Yes, we're intimidating. Right? But boys are like, oh my god, he's so brave. He's so whatever. He's supposed to
I
be.
think there's like this preconceived notion that responsibilities घर के तो बड़ा बेटा ही संभालेगा. So for every, I think, elder sister, it has always been like that. ठीक है, अभी मेरा कोई बड़ा भाई नहीं है, तो मैं तो खुद को बड़ा भाई जैसे ही मानूंगी. Because
हाँ.
there is that preconceived notion कि ठीक है, पापा के बाद अगर कोई कुछ संभालेगा तो वो बड़ा भाई ही होता है.
Yep.
And when there's no bada bhai in the family, then I think elder sisters become the bada bhai.
You're the elder child. So
Yeah.
anyways, you have been a parent since your child, your
Yeah,
brother
I
or
w-
sister was born.
yeah.
Right? So I feel like for elder siblings, girls especially, it's
Yeah.
harder to become parents later on in life if their parents weren't parents to them.
Yep.
Right?
They're already fed
then,
up.
Yeah. Because then they've had to parent not just themselves, they've had to parent their own sibling as well. And so then that's when they don't want to be, parents, girls. That's when
They're
they
already
reach
so
that stage.
saturated with it's the exact same feeling, right? It's the
Yes.
exact same. You're taking responsibilities, you're making sure that this sibling of yours is acting right, blah blah blah. और फिर तुम्हारा बच्चा आ जाता है.
And people
Yes.
like you and me, we've never had a newer person in the family only. Like मेरे घर पे कोई मेरे से छोटा आया ही नहीं है.
आया ही नहीं है बट वो मेरे nephews and nieces है तो मतलब वो generation मेरी है ही नहीं. I'm the youngest and so is she.
Yeah.
So I've always been that one kid जो अभी भी छोटा है सबकी नजरों में. And I'm sick of having that feeling that because I'm 22. Sure, मेरे से 10 साल बड़े लोग हैं लेकिन I am also 22 now.
Yes.
And it's so annoying when they look at you like you're 12.
Yes.
Like, look at me as a grown-up woman.
Sure.
Please.
But you also have to take yourself as a grown up. Right? You have to also look at yourself
You
as a
can't
grown up.
infantilize yourself still.
Yeah,
No,
exactly.
no, and also, I mean, see, 22 is still baby. It is
But
still.
when there's somebody who's constantly looking at you like you're 12 years old, regardless of you being
Who
10
is
years
this? Who is
older,
this?
all of my elder...
Siblings.
No, my cousins.
Your cousins.
We've been very close ever since
Siblings,
childhood.
but right,
yeah.
siblings.
So you can call them siblings. Very
Sure.
close, very
yeah,
tight.
yeah.
So whenever I'm like, I have a little different opinion, a new perspective, They're like, Shanti.
Mm.
I'm like, 1 minute. I get your opinion. I listen to your opinion. Can you do the same for me?
Okay, now I have
I'm
a great
not asking
idea for
to
you.
change your opinion.
Correct.
But you can at least accept the fact that I am now someone who has her own opinions and who stands for certain things. Don't agree. I'm not asking you to agree. But the least you can do is respect the opinions that I have.
Yeah.
And that gets annoying to me.
Yeah.
So your solution.
Oh my god, you should fuck with them. You should tell them scandalous things. You should go and ask them for really inappropriate feed, like help.
Yeah.
Just be like, condom broke. Bhaiya.
I've done that a little bit. Like when I was like in junior college, and I had my cousins, hyper religious cousins, were talking, and I had a gay friend at that time, and I was like, I don't care.
Yeah.
They're gay, love them, right? They're going through a lot of shit right now. I'm gonna be there for them. And I was very vocal about it, and we had like this conversation throughout the night as to why gay people deserve to live and have rights. And they were so mind blown that I have these opinions. And there was some whack shit that was thrown at me. Like somebody, I won't take their names, but she was like, I don't like how they've taken such a beautiful symbol like a rainbow and they've given it to the. I'm like, what do you mean? And I had to explain, I had to dumb heteronormativity down, and I had to be like, this is what is shown to us in society. That's why we think this is normal. But the other opinions exist. Please shut the fuck up. And
There's
I think
more to this.
I did that early on. Now they take me seriously. But yeah,
I'm
you
gonna do
should
it.
fuck with
I'm
them.
gonna do it.
100% it works.
And the one word that I hate when they call me is woke.
Oh, bitch. Yeah, I heard that.
You're
I
a
heard
woke
that.
woman.
I heard that.
I am. So what about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not a woke person. That's your issue. Deal with it.
You guys are teaching us for sure. You guys are. And like there's a lot we need to learn from y'all,
Likewise.
Likewise.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
this
there's-
whole
This
conversation.
has been a great barter,
Yes.
Yeah.
We're learning things from you, you're learning things from us, and I have
100%.
had a blast.
She talks with very big words. She uses very big words. I'm not intelligent like that to understand these big words that you
It's
use.
just that's how I use.
Are you a reader?
No.
Then how you know such big words?
So with me, I've noticed that I pick up words easily, and I consume a lot of English content since I was younger. And I didn't watch movies or anything. I just watched YouTubers. They were native speakers just speaking.
And then you learnt and then
I
you show off with these big words.
Yeah, and then with
Cute.
context, I can understand well. Touchwood.
Beautiful.
I pick them up. That's all it is.
Good.
Yeah,
and
I
then
don't-
we get it from her.
sometimes.
And yeah. And now I'm learning all this new lingo. What did you say?
Down
earlier?
bad.
Down
Down
bad.
bad.
Fumble,
What
fumble.
is that? Yeah.
Fumble.
Down bad is just crazy.
Do you know what this is?
Clapping, no? You're like clapping.
No, this
No, this is like you clocked
Clock
it.
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 Like you're so true. You make sense.
Yeah.
What?
That
You
was
made
so
an
real.
astute observation.
Yeah.
Clock
And
it.
I agree with you.
Okay.
Like I get it. Yeah. No, it's multiple. This is shut up.
I thought you were clapping. I was like, oh yeah. Clapping.
No. This is clock it.
All
So you
right.
clocked my tea.
That's beautiful.
Tea to you know, na?
Yeah, spilling the tea.
Yeah.
Spilling the
Gosh.
tea.
Clock kar diya.
Yeah.
Like that.
You know what gaggy is? I said your outfit is gaggy.
Gaggy.
Yeah. I just thought it was.
It was so
Like
good.
we're
She gasped.
gasping. Yeah.
Oh.
What,
So good.
what
She choked.
Slay used to be 3 years ago?
Slay.
That's gag
gaggy.
now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what slay was 3 years ago.
Oh, right.
So you'd basically be like, your dress is slaying.
Yes. Your makeup slay.
So now it's gagging.
Now it's gaggy.
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 Gag. Like I'm
Gag.
gagged.
Like your glasses are very gaggy.
Thanks. But
Like that.
I don't think I'll ever use it in a sentence.
Do you know what locking in means?
What?
Locking in.
in.
I'm about to lock in.
Yeah.
Give it a guess. What do you think does it mean?
Yeah.
I'm locking in. I'm about to lock in.
It means that you decided this.
Good.
Close.
I'm hyper focused right now.
Yeah.
That's
This
what
is the-
locking in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's tunnel vision
Oh.
now for
Yeah.
me.
No
Like-
R par. Just
no
this.
our part. This,
Like that.
Yeah.
That's locking in.
Like if you're doing something, like if you have a test tomorrow and you're like, bitch, I gotta lock in tonight.
Yeah.
I have to like get my shit sorted.
Yeah.
Again, I will
Even
never
if
use this in a sentence.
Even
I'll
if a
never
girl
talk
calls
like
me and is like, "Are you up?" I gotta lock in.
that. You say, "Are you up?" I got to lock in.
No, I'm saying even if a girl calls you and asks you, "Are you up?" you have to ignore that and lock in.
Oh,
Like
hyper focus.
Yes.
Hyper focused.
Oh,
Na
on your
R na par.
studies.
Yes. Or whatever.
Okay.
I'll give you a
Whatever.
good one with a gesture.
Yeah.
Mogging.
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 And this is the gesture.
No. The gesture is
I thought it was Riz.
Close. मुझे भी मॉगिंग का
if
मतलब
you're
नहीं पता.
mogging
honestly.
somebody, that means you're really your face card is far better than them. If I take
Yeah.
a picture with her and I've done up everything and she's looking like a homeless person, then I'm mogging the camera
Yeah.
with my looks, and I can go like,
मुझे अब तक नहीं समझा ये.
shut up and look at my jawline. Shut up and look at my jawline. Yeah, that's mogging, babe.
मुझे मॉगिंग का मतलब नहीं पता. तुम लोग बस ये करते हो तो मैं भी कर देती हूँ.
I know this is
Adi
Riz.
taught that.
हाँ,
to me.
Riz.
This is it.
Riz, you know.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Means
Charisma.
Oh.
It's
It's
short
short
for
for
charisma.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Enough
Anything
crash
else?
course for
Yeah,
today, no?
Yeah.
Unless
So people have stopped talking in alphabets.
Stop. Yeah.
What
Fully.
alphabets?
K M L O P Q T. I'll tell you one. S T D T N S T D S.
Right.
STD we know.
Wait.
We have to stay away.
No. It's G N S D T C.
G-N.
S D T C. G N S T
night.
T
Good night,
C.
sweet dreams. Take care.
Yeah. So now you all have stopped talking in words, in letters.
Yeah, we stopped.
Yeah.
We stopped.
So now what do you all say? So this is what I learned recently. G N S D T C.
TC.
Do you know
Now it's
Now
a
I have
full
to
good
learn
night.
something
Full
else.
take care.
Do you-
Now it's
Okay,
full
thank
words.
God.
Do you know TTYL?
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
Yeah.
I use TTYL ironically.
I love
Oh.
using it. I love using BRB and not gonna lie NGL.
NGL.
I love using NGL.
I hate all of y'all for using these words. That's it. Just everyone. Just one girl was like LMK in some time.
Let me know.
Let me know.
What the fuck is LMK? You're talking to me. You don't have to say LMK.
She was
no?
talking IRL?
Yes, IRL.
Oh, that's stupid. That's text language.
Yeah, that's stupid.
Yeah.
Stupid.
So I think your generation above yours still talks like that.
They are way worse.
Yeah, they are the.
This LMA no
The
PQ.
mogging is from up generation.
Not yours.
Alpha.
Alpha.
Younger than us.
Younger
Oh, yeah.
Younger than
Next,
us.
next.
Younger,
next.
younger than us.
Jara
My
Alpha.
bad.
Worse.
Mogging.
So much worse. Oh my god.
I hate it.
But I know all of the lingo, which is so 6'7". See, you both don't
I
even
know
know
6'7".
You know 6'7".
I know 6'7".
What is it?
If the number comes 1, 3, 6, 7, then anyway they just do
Yeah.
6, 7.
If you find 6'7",
Anything.
शुरू कहाँ से हुआ?
No.
There's a song.
There's
There's a song.
no. There's a basketball term.
Oh.
Or I think there's some basketball player that's a number 6, 7 or something like that. Something
Okay.
is there about this. And then if you, any number that you see, 3, 7, 6, 7, whatever.
Huh.
And then they, 6, 7.
Yeah, that day Maitri said, "Na,
Anything.
we will wrap up by 6, 7", and I went like 6, 7.
It's a very, very...
I know
Abba dabba jabba.
Italian brain rot through and through.
Yeah,
हाँ,
Italian brain.
ballerina,
That is-
cappuccina,
Tung 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 tung
Sahur.
No, I don't know all
It's
of this.
bullshit. It's
Okay.
AI.
crap.
It's nothing.
I
It's
live on the
absolutely
first floor.
And people talk like that.
Yes, no.
Yeah.
I live on the first floor और अभी बच्चों की छुट्टी चालू है दिवाली की. वो हम लड़ रहे होते हैं, राइट? जब इन यंगर हम लड़ाई कर रहे हैं कि तूने मुझे आउट कैसे किया, तूने वो, ये लोग बस यही बोले जा रहे हैं.
Ballerina का
Ballerina, cappuccina.
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
छोटे बच्चे, मेरे बच्चे.
Barrino,
Oh.
crocodilo.
Exactly that. They're singing it.
Lirila.
They're singing it and it has pissed me off.
But what is it?
It's just brain rot.
Okay, so I'll tell
Alright.
you how
It
it
doesn't
started.
have to make sense.
It's not even brain rot. So there was AI images and AI voiceovers, and people just combined two things. So a bomb and a crocodile combined into an AI image, and then there is a voiceover that says Bombadilo Crocodilo.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
nothing. It's meaningless.
Got it.
Absolutely.
Do you support AI?
No. Oh, am I supposed to? Sure.
don't know.
No,
What
that's an
the?
opinion.
No, what? Which AI? Like what? Chat GPT.
Do you use?
That's AI.
you
no?
talk to it.
That's the most basic AI.
Calm your tits. Talk to it, bro.
Some people do.
know.
That's scary.
Young people.
Yeah, no, some people use it as a therapist and it's really like annoying.
It's scary.
Yeah.
It's scary. Did you know there is a new thing that has started? It's called AI psychosis, because AI will just tell you whatever the fuck you want to hear. And this is a real phenomenon, guys. People are
Yeah.
going crazy because if I go up to ChatGPT and I'm like, I can breathe fire, it will show you ways how you can do that in a more efficient way.
Yeah.
It's not gonna like say, no, you can't.
You're a human.
Or
You're a
no,
human,
You're
you
not
can't.
supposed to do
Yeah.
that.
And then it'll teach you how to do it.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. It'll give you tips. It'll be like, you go, girl.
Yeah.
What
the fuck is that?
Yeah, I'm not.
People are also
for it.
finding God in ChatGPT.
Sure.
No, they really are.
Oh my god.
It's a
But
religion.
then it's a thing to believe, right? You believe in something so hard that it can be a god or whatever.
I believe that you should be dumb for one guy only.
Only.
Yeah, just one.
Just one guy.
Just one.
Just
So,
one.
Jia, tell our audience what shows are coming up, how to follow you, everything, all
Plug
the good
it all
things.
in.
Plug
Yeah,
everything you want to.
Oh, so on the 2nd of November, I have a show at NCPA Godrej Dance Theatre. It's my solo. It's called Will You Marry Me? Tickets are on Book My Show and at the box office.
Whoa.
It means a lot to me to be performing at that venue
Absolutely.
because that was the first venue that I ever performed stand-up at.
Oh my
wow.
god. How many
Yeah.
years ago?
2013.
Oh, my god.
shit.
That's huge.
Yeah. And then I fell off that stage as well. The same Godrej Dance Theatre. I was doing a show in 2019 where I fell off the stage. I dislocated my elbow. I went, got it located, and came back for the next show.
Oh my.
So that venue means a lot to me, and now my 1 hour solo is going to happen there. 2nd November at
Obsessed.
NCP Godrej Dance Theatre. Tickets are on Book My
This
Show.
is the first exclusive that we see of the 1 hour solo.
Yes.
Oh,
That's gonna be great.
excited.
It's
I'm
being
gonna be
recorded for YouTube,
Okay.
and there's going to be a mandap and all.
Oh my god.
But
We're gonna be there for
There's going to be a
We-
production.
we're gonna be
yeah,
there.
Don't
bring
tell
all
them
your
about YouTube
girlfriends.
yet.
Yeah.
Don't tell them about, just say come.
Just come for it.
Just
yeah,
come.
it's
Yeah.
not
Send
on
it out.
YouTube. It'll never be on YouTube.
Never.
Never.
No.
No.
I will make sure that it doesn't reach.
It won't.
I'll come and I'll erase the footage also.
Best.
Yeah, you should
Yeah.
come to the show. Guys, please start consuming art IRL.
Yes. Stop YouTube.
Yeah, and artists, they put so much into it. I know you've sucked yourself dry with the creative juices and you've made something special.
Yeah.
And I hope that you all go watch this special. And while you're on YouTube, you can subscribe to Besharam as well if you would like, and comment something.
What emoji do you think we
Yeah.
should ask our viewers to put down for us?
You know that what is it called? That thing in the puddle. What is he? You know that one?
Oh, the face that's melting?
Okay, sure.
No, I don't think so. That's that. What she said.
I'm forgetting what it's called.
Are you
Describe it.
Is it like an insect or something?
No, it's an animal.
Oh.
And it's the laziest animal that's
Oh,
always in the
sea
water.
sloth. A sloth.
A
sloth.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
sloth.
There's a sloth in water wala emoji.
Okay.
That they
got it.
should comment that. It's
Comment
my
that,
favorite emoji.
We'll put it up on the screen as well so you're able to find it better. But the sloth that's drowning in water, a bunch of them, एक comment करना, एक साथ 4 comment मत करना, please.
ये tip है.
ये tip है. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. Send this video to all of your friends who love Jia. And
Yeah.
send it to your family. Send it to everybody,
And
honestly.
if
Actually-
you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars.
5 stars.
Do it.
And if you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us. Make sure you share our reels. Make sure you comment nice things for a change. And send it to your best friends. Send it to your girls. You want to share these tips and
Yeah.
the gaggy advices that Jia just dropped.
Yeah.
And until next time,
Stay Besharam.
Bye.